Flood advisory. Issued at Thursday 1:10 a.m. March 13, 2025. Issued by National Weather Service. Description: what flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected? Where? Southern Los Angeles County. When? Until 6:00 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Impacts: minor flooding in low-lying and poor drainage areas. Water over roadways. Additional details: at 1:09 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Minor flooding is expected to begin shortly in the advisory area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Long Beach, Malibu, Inglewood,